Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can save original photos to camera roll on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll on until you find archiving and downloading. After that, you can see the option of save original photos. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can save original photos to camera roll on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.